Yeah, you do what I wanna. Blunts to the strong marijuana. If I die, tell my mama I'm a stoner. Do what I wanna. Always smell the aroma. Started young, now I'm feeling older. Do
Hey, what's the matter, honey?
I don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream, my dreams of you. And in yours you say it's falling out. I don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream, my dreams of you. And in yours you say it's falling out. I don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream, my dreams of you. And in yours you say it's falling out. I don't sleep 'cause when I do, all I dream, my dreams of you. And in yours you say it's falling out.
Bloody hell, testing. Yo lads, this is an updated controller setting video, and basically I'll just scroll through my settings, and if you guys wanna copy them down, please do. Well, the first thing I advise you guys use is sprint by default. It's bloody easier to use and holding down the left stick all the time to sprint. For edit mode aim assist, have that off, because it's easier to edit faster with it off. For colorblind mode, for the accessibilities, make sure you have that on bench and note strength 6, and have that thing, what's it call it, visual sound effects. Yeah, that's a bloody game changer. Have that on. I edit with L3, confirm with L1, crouch with X. I think those are the 3 things that change from everyone else's settings. And of course Builder Pro for the building thing as a default. Well, basically reason I edit with L1 is because I've been playing Claw for a very long time, and it just pains my finger to bloody edit with a triangle or circle, like for confirming wise and editing basically. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it for my settings. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you go like and subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'm checking out. See you never.